Chaka kumbedi ki ya chuli kama kumbedi ya wachini woman MP me district me Omoro honorable Megu Catherine Lamwaka kumbedi ki cheko chimo ena bedu one com pa chuli parliamentary members me parliament part ame ko one report ini kada ko dugi
Be apoyo Nia Catherine Lamwaka, a member me parliament me Omoro district, one com Pacholi parliamentary group, ma members tien geno kerugeni koma metelogi machalo one com ma megi. Dong gien madit ma pere tek loyo kakama neno na tie ye ena ye ni mwaka bichi eni me dok teach me parliament me apawi arioni wan machala choli parliamentary group itijwa metara parliament miero inge mwaka bichi la nyut me kotijwa ubetie mayiro be beru palwak ma ya choli sub region kidon lo ma ya choli sub region mechiero malo maloyo kit matie kereni donc ka wajo kit man miro ripe matek pa wan lo members me parliament ma wa aki ya choli kono wa logo leba chel wa tiyu ka chel tian lokani wa miro ripe kitian lok unity for a purpose ripe kitian lok me teach pikelo don lo ya choli sub region pi lo ruam me be palwak makwo ya choli sub region ikin jami mapigi tegu tie kine lok me nyayo lonyo nyoriem chan ya choli sub region ka ini neno kit kwet ma kichoyo doge ki yubu report manyuro ka kamaleng rom me chan Uganda pur kero wan machalo ba choli piny tutwal umiyo yub mo ke ken mabi kemme ki lokom riemo chan nyo nyayo lonyo mabi a ki bod gamente mabi a ki bod dul matiano ko gamente ki teach pere tekni mwaka bich en mawano ti tela machalo members me parliament ma ya choli ni waket gi ki kere ki tij matek meneno ni ubedi kin jami mawano ti ye matek we ko palwak wa loke kiriem chan me ario lokum ponye ya choli sub region tigien mena mario ma pere tek atiga nilitino ma aki ya choli sub region miergu beri ruam me kwan mamalo bene kubet kingeyo piny matut gin mo ke ken mabibino i parliament i dok tijwa nyo bod gamente nyo dud mamiyo kony me tich ki gamente ma kemme ki lokum ponye mier wati ye ki kere wa bet lu yen kony ma pat me neno ni kaga odon i lokum ponye ma tega tiga ki jami mo kene ma pol ma pat ke neno yuppa gamente ma tie ma doge pe ya tum chieke ma oberu tie ma pe otum jami ma miete ni mier kiti pego ma diyo luak ma pat lo bacholi kaberu ma pat wok piny ma pat kire kala member me parliament ne no tie kienwa ento mier wa ten quote ka chelo menene wa ribu chingwa we kwei pekini eni ki duak ki piny ki jwagi go we ko palwak wa ben mabe chipi mwaga bich eni gin madit makaro ena ye ripe kienwa machalo members kono wa ripe kitian lok meneno ni wa tiyu pi don lobo wa tiyu pi beber palwak makoi ya choli sub region
apart you honorable Catherine Lamwaka personally and so do I very calm woman, very focused, very steady, ngayu look, very articulate. I'm sure of steering maybe the one come in maybe.
Emma, actually parliamentary group needed a mother, a mentor, and a calm personality. All these identifications tie comme Catherine Lamwaka. Pikar malaj waberu kaneno actually parliamentary group mokak. Team achiel ti kono bod nga, team ario ti bod nga. In totality actually parliamentary group no yo poka shoka dek. Piem dong mo kana gi pay tela po luo nyi nga mo beru chairman pa nga ki ka kun magu forming. Ento wanena actually parliamentary group mano miri mo karu laju pa jo mano ge mero telo neni eno beru ka telo yo waberu ka neno ripe mitich karachiel mape waneno actually parliamentary group ma dano pigi nene wang ke wang chi ke nero kumbeti dano mo bedo kara chiel mi nene ki kelo actually parliamentary group parliament eni mo bedo pa actually parliamentary group amer wachni itela pa Macmot chalo vice chair tela pa Catherine Lamwaga eni weng joma muol joma munylo, and I am very sure the other members mago chunga ni weng they will contribute something wek wanu wacheko kong teach kara chiel 3 days ago aneno kama penduzo watching actually parliamentary group gemero telo dano ero gen pe gemero tela and few days after ke bino ke yer donga gen getika telo dano gen ke ken gibeno dongo no lo tela gi so it is a good way to go
but apart very why there are very few MPs metung me actually gidwonge kara eniko
MPs mo bolo
mati ken eni ma anano chairman no but ma perekena but because and he's a minister he could have been occupied mati missing Kenyu
no magatika missing gidwong and
an honorable lady and a betty missing and honorable Beatrice Akori tika missing
Hilaro Nekpe Kenyu
yes again when ministers ma they could have been busy that time mukana ma para Kenya
no ke nero mot mega all better chan pe wachet igulu opio I'm not saying opio angure Kenyu I'm not seeing the woman MP Migulu district anena charity anu Mr. J. Johnson Nyerope ento mitongo wiye gen ma ukata ye ki wachi members mo beru tie go beru gana par bichel mo kene go beru members wengu pe go beru tie ma go beru tie ne go bino go bolo kui members angwen money go participating online mo kene ne go chwala apologies ma megi we ko pe go beru tie tentatively that is gen honorable Okot Peter Owayo and Okot Peter in the extreme for the first time any electoral commission and guiding the process and we want to say for the people of Toji you have also a good leader very humble man
but also this is a really new perspective because actually parliamentary group Mayange was comprising of veterans in the politics mano kiana tie make better all chan kiana bena no tie Mayang Chan and Professor Ogala Tigo, Mayang Chan. So it had veteran politicians, so anything, for lack of a better word, younger blood. I'll go for
but also, Emma, it's not so young because Kenero, 2 terms in Parliament, Chalo Mego Catherine Lamwaga, she comes with a lot of experience.
Of course.
If I was vetting for any of the personalities, I think I'm not wrong. If I was vetting for any of the personalities from Acholi sub-region, one of Merobeda among the ministers, my first priority or first choice would be Catherine Lamwaga, and then I would descend to Jara Martin Mapenduzi, and then others can come through. But Bibiano Benaminyo to care as the chairperson actually parliamentary group for me is a big plus. And I am sure she will deliver.
Of course.